Wa mavua makoneje siku ya madaraka day nake President William Ruto niwathana maundu kauta ala ukuaniisya kwi enenthi muno sektani ya nima aithingiliila kana silikali nikukwata Mbau aimi niwathana kuthayucha iwanda cia sukali kisioni cha Bungoma na ile ikwamite kwa ivinda ya sana kukwata Mbau Uimi na kusiaithia waliu thini wa kaunti cio miongo inana monza nilivyotiumbanichwe niwe Joseph Kitheka.
Musumbi Dr. William Ruto chathi cha umundi cha madaraka day kila kina kielelo cha Uimi niwonania hundu serikali yake yiyumite kukwata Mbau Uimi kusiaithia leuna kuminanza va Kenya aivingwa makundi ma Uimi na utandithia kaunti cionthe va Kenya.
Both the national and county governments acknowledge the critical role played by agricultural extension and advisory services in the provision of knowledge and skills to farmers. The key challenges towards extension management and service delivery include development of private sector operated extension services that complements the public extension services as well as the commercialization of the latter without compromising public interest. In addition, sir, the agripreneur model has been formulated and successfully piloted for the last 5 years and shown to effectively complement the public extension while commercializing the same without compromising public interest.
Chathiniki President Ruto niwetha yethena maundu kauta kwilikanwa kana ilembetani yi takutwa yewa maundu mane mamuno vala ombula kana selikali yake tayithitwe yikwata Mbau aimi otondu wathanite ayikonia maleveni kenda kusiaithia liu kwa wingi.
From the milling of sugarcane, millet and sorghum to the ginning of cotton and the roasting of coffee beans in this country, our agriculture sector continues to fire the powerful engine of economic transformation to propel this great nation into a food secure, internationally competitive trading giant that can hold its own in the East African community and leverage other trading frameworks such as the COMESA, Africa Growth and Opportunities Act, the Africa Continental Free Trade Area with ease. Agriculture remains sufficiently attractive enough to sustain investment in every node of the food system.
Ingi Ruto ni umbula kana tanzimwe ya kuthayu cha iwanda cia sukali kisioni chu tamana avyaiye itheka mathiela inataitwe silingi bilioni 110 mbewa miaka 40 nikenda kuithayu cha ingi.
The sugar industry is a highly strategic subsector whose value chains have been the mainstay of the local economies of our sugar belt and a generator of much needed jobs and value. For this reason, we are firmly committed to ensure that the sugar industry returns maximum value to all actors in its value chains, beginning with the initial and foundational entrepreneur, the cane grower. To accomplish this, we have implemented a number of radical measures. We have written off Kenya shillings 110 billion worth of sugar factories debts accumulated over the last 40 years. A new leasing model that will guarantee prompt payment for cane deliveries by farmers.
Ni waweta ingi kana onatamaniki mawaliu kunthini wa mivea ya Uimi wa kawa na maiyani kati wa sekta ingi nikenda kuikithia aimi masi ndu isutame kwambio kwata thuwa ula wailite na kwiyukilia. Na kwa aimi maindo President ni watangasa kana mwakani muthelu muvea wa usovya wanda wa Sindo Kenya Veterinary Vaccines Production Institute wenda keve vapi tona serviti ndosi milioni 35 ikenda kutetheesya kusiya mauwo kula kwi indo.
Smallholder tea farmers exported Ketepa's value-added teas to West Africa and China. The government has also increased farm-to-table food safety through frameworks such as the Food Safety Policy and a Food Safety Coordination Bill is underway. To ensure our capacity to coordinate agricultural production and deliver service to the sector more efficiently, we are developing and integrating a farmers and agripreneurs database into the Kenya Integrated Agriculture Information System.
Na aimino kile oneni wake President niwathana kana ndeisaulelya kithito chake kulilia ovo wa mitito ya va Kenya ondumana kuendekeithia kuvandwa kwa miti nikenda kusiya walioku wanzeve na kusovia mawithiluko.
Climate change presents serious challenges to food security and economic recovery. The flooding, mudslides and landslides that the country has experienced in the past 6 months may have slowed us a little. However, the effects of global warming have not killed our resolve to become food secure and grow economically. Instead, climate-related risks and hazards have threatened our determination to increase investment in climate action and to build resilience against disruptive forces of nature.
Joseph Kitheka ngilivote vilingi wa Mauvo, Mutongoi TV.